My car is so quiet now. Without the downpipe, this thing just doesn't really make any noise. You may be able to see all my my parts. Those are all for my car. My parents are kind of like kicking my car parts out. But yeah, this is why you get a little minivan, because you can just kind of throw everything back there and it works. I'm heading over to my brother's right now. He actually got a new house, which is really cool. We're going to be working on all the cars at his place because reasons, and I've got a little surprise to show you guys. But I'm gonna get going. It's hot as hell. It's not even really hot. It's just humid here. It's really annoying. But yeah, I'll get going. See you guys later. Hello.
Hi. So like, we're both pretty gross right now.
Changed a lot.
Yeah. You see this? Sweet.
That you did. Teddy. Hey, bud.
Isn't he the fly? Yeah. Oh yeah.
Really cool.
Yeah.
Isn't it nice?
This is like the perfect like drinking
Yeah, right.
beer pong place.
Mm-hmm.
What's that smell?
Smell good or bad?
I think it's good.
Okay, I've been Swiffering.
These are very trendy.
I didn't put those up actually, they were here.
This would be sweet though.
The projector
There's an actual projector.
should actually work. The remote's right there.
That's sweet.
Yeah. At least I think it's
This is the creepiest room?
Yeah. So, first of all, just look at that.
Oh, jeez. What the? Is that Dad's room?
Yeah. Look at this.
It looks like dried blood or some shit.
I know. There are
Oh
fucking
my god.
child locks and everything.
Ugh.
This is all Will's car stuff, though.
Oh, okay. Yeah, my parents kind of kicked my stuff out as well.
Really?
This might actually just be blood. Maybe it is.
Great.
Teddy! My dude! Hi.
Aww.
Oh god. It's like it runs into you.
Yeah. Just because they're rugs.
It's been so long. So yeah, the Miata is kind of staying at Will's house. It's just a much better place for it. I haven't seen this car in like quite some time. I've missed it. For those of you who are new, this is our Miata. It's kind of like a family project, I guess. My brother and I race it. We have some special announcements for this car. They're quite large. So one of them you may actually be able to see. I'll bring you guys on over. Ta-da! So this is quite a large surprise. This is a VVT. It's a 1.8 liter out of a NB Miata. And well, we pulled it a couple weeks ago. I didn't really make a video about it because we were the ones who were actually like pulling the engine. One of the guy who was selling it to us, he basically asked for our help, and so we helped him out. So I didn't really film much on that, and transporting it was a bitch, so I don't even want to go into detail on that. But it's here, and I'm really excited. Along with that, we have a new transmission. The current transmission has a lot of problems getting into gear. So there was one where I was doing my track day. I tried to get it into third after downshifting, and it just wouldn't go in. So for a solid like 2 or 3 seconds, I just didn't have a gear, and it was going through a turn. So it was the most sketchy time to not have a gear. So that's gonna fix that. That'll be nice. So yeah, that's the update, and there's another update that kind of goes along with this engine. There's some forced induction involved. So we're heading to the store to get car parts and stuff. This is the dope Fiesta. What was the second? Second. Yeah. Oh my god. Dude, leans in so well. Yeah.
Have you seen the basement?
You guys are like mom and dad.
Yeah. You can walk on campus, but the second you left.
Alright, so I just finished filming for school. I'm actually kind of like a film student now, so it's going to be pretty normal for me to do that. It just feels weird doing it for class. Still haven't gotten used to it. This is what it kind of looks like. We basically have sort of a rubric, but it's very vague. This is what mine looks like. This is like an interview type situation. So it's not really about the story, it's more about how the shots are set up. Then we did like some conversations. So yeah, that's kind of what it's like being a film student. I'm only a sophomore, so I really haven't gotten into anything like advanced. I've just been doing really simple stuff. The teachers are just trying to get us like used to working with cameras, getting the right exposure. So it's really fun. I mean, I love this stuff, so I'm glad that I switched my major. So, yeah, we're going to wash the cars. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up today's video. This is more of like a vlog kind of thing, so just let me know what you guys thought, because I'm sort of new to this. So yeah, just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, just please let me know. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. Peace out.